Hello students, nomenclature of or the classification of enzyme. In a previous class I have discussed the classification of enzyme as well as enzymes are divided into 6 groups. First is the oxidoreductase. Oxidoreductase, these enzymes catalyze oxidation reduction reaction. That means alcohol is to NAD oxidoreductase ठीक है, catalyze the oxidation of alcohol of an aldehyde. Oxidation of an alcohol and aldehyde. These are known as oxidoreductase. Second one is the isomerases. These enzymes catalyze isomerization of several types. They include cis trans, ketoenol, aldose ketose interconversion. For example, an epimerase which catalyzes the conversion of D-xylulose 5-phosphate to D-ribulose phosphate catalyze the transfer of group at asymmetric carbon atom. These are CH2OH, C double bond CHOH and CH2O. D-xylulose 5-phosphate. Cis trans आपका है isomerases, तो CH2OH, C double bond O, COH, H, CHOH and CH2O phosphorus. This is D-ribulose 5-phosphate. तो आप सिर्फ इसको ऐसे नाम नहीं लिख देंगे, आप इसको डिफाइन करके इसका स्ट्रक्चर, केमिकल स्ट्रक्चर बनाकर दिखाएंगे, तभी क्लियर होगा. Isomerases हुआ. Second one is the ligases. These enzyme. Second one isomerases. Third one is ligases. These enzymes catalyze bond formation and are accompanied by the hydrolysis of ATP or other nucleoside phosphate. These enzymes are also called synthetase. For example, glutamine synthetase catalyzes the formation of glutamine from glutamate and ammonia involving ATP. COOH, CHNH2 amino group is attached. CH2CH2COOH. This is the glutamate plus NH3 plus ATP क्या फॉर्म होगा? COOH CHNH2 CH2CH2COOH plus inorganic phosphate plus H2O. These are the ligases. This is the third one. First one is the oxidoreductase, second is the isomerases, third is the ligases, fourth one is the transferases. Transferases, these enzymes are involved in transferring functional group between the donor and an acceptor molecule. For example, glutamate. To pyruvic amino transferase. Transfer amino group from glutamate to pyruvate. Glutamate is deactivated or deaminated to produce 2-oxoglutarate, and pyruvate is aminated to produce alanine. These are the structures: COH, CnH2H, CH2, COOH. This one is the glutamate, CS3, COCOH. Transferases, then COOH, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, COOH. These are the 2-oxoglutarate plus CH3, CHNH2 whole twice COOH. This is the 2-oxoglutarate. What is hydrolases? Hydrolases, these enzymes are special kind of transferases in which the donor group is transferred to water molecules. The bonds which are normally subjected to hydrolytic cleavage are carbon-oxygen bond, carbon-nitrogen bond, oxygen-phosphorus bond, and carbon-sulfur bonds. Example, lipase, which hydrolyzes a triacyl glycerol into fatty acid and glycerol. Fifth one is the hydrolases. CH2O COR, CHO COR, CH2O COR, triacyl glycerol plus 3H2O. Then it forms CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is the glycerol plus 3RCOOH. That means this is the fatty acid. Fifth one is hydrolases is complete. Then sixth one is liases. This group of enzyme catalyzes the addition of groups to double bonds or catalyzes cleavage by electronic rearrangement. For example, decarboxylase catalyzes the removal of carbon dioxide. That means RCOCOH catalyzes the removal of carbon dioxide. दिस वन आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकाल दीजिए तो क्या हो जाएगा RCHO plus CO2. This is the classification of enzyme. These all 6 enzymes: hydrolases, transferases, ligases, oxidoreductases. ये 6 हैं: ligases, isomerases, hydrolases, transferases. सारे मैंने आपको अभी जस्ट बताए हैं, पर रिएक्शन के साथ ही आप करेंगे. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडो कोई भी इधर से उधर हो सकता है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, लेकिन 6 टाइप के एंजाइम्स हैं: ऑक्सीडोरेडक्टेज, आइसोमरेज, लाइगेजेस, ट्रांसफरेजेस, हाइड्रोलेजेस एंड लाइएजेस, ऑल दीज आर 6 एंजाइम्स। रिएक्शंस के साथ आप इसके क्लासिफिकेशन को कंप्लीट करेंगे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट टर्न पे मैं आप लोग, ठीक है। ओके, बाय बाय।